If you're experiencing payout delays on sync.com, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you identify the problem and take the necessary actions. Step 1. Check your payment method. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Review account status. Log into your sync.com account and check for any alerts or notifications regarding your account status. Sometimes account verification or compliance issues can delay payouts. Step 3. Confirm payment schedule. Familiarize yourself with sync.com's payout schedule. Make sure you are within the expected time frame for receiving your payout, as delays occur based on the payment cycle. Step 4. Contact customer support. If everything appears correct but the delay persists, reach out to sync.com's customer support. Provide them with your account details and any relevant information regarding the delay for quicker assistance. Step 5. Follow up. After contacting support, keep track of your inquiry. If you don't receive a response within the promised time frame, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any payout delays on sync.com efficiently. If issues persist, consider checking community forums or FAQs for additional insights.